boys and girls. I'm so happy that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Isaiah, and I have Miss Pei-Ying, and I have Miss Sophia, and I have Mr. Ben. And boys and girls, who likes sandwiches?
Me!
Oh! Today we have a really yummy sandwich. We're gonna make hummus.
Hummus! I love hummus. I like hummus. All the time I make hummus, I put blueberries and strawberries.
And hummus? Well, we're gonna make a different type of hummus today, okay?
Lemon?
Oh, you're gonna have your watch, Pei-Ying. We're gonna make it different. Okay, take your lids off, and boys and girls, be careful. Do not put your hands inside this, okay?
Because it's spiky.
And it's got a blade in there, doesn't it? You see the blade in there? That's very sharp, and that will cut you. So boys and girls, don't ever be in the kitchen by yourself, okay? Make sure there's an adult with you.
It will hurt you.
Yes, it will hurt you. Okay, you guys can each put your chickpeas in there, and they're also chickpeas. They're called chickpeas, and they're also called garbanzos. Okay, you want to put those in there.
That's mine too.
Oh, good job! And I've already drained the juice off of them. So at home, boys and girls, you're going to want to drain the juice off of them. How about, Ben, can you just put them over on the counter over there for me? Isaiah, you want to put them over on the counter for me?
Look at me.
Okay, well, I've got a job for you. Okay? You guys each have a lemon squeezer. Get your lemon. Oh, thank you, Ben. Here, Sophia, here's yours. Now take one lemon at a time and squeeze some lemon. Because let me look at my recipe. I need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Can you see how to do it, Sophia? Put it on, and then see how Ben's doing it? You want to put your hand down like this. Let me move. Put your hand like this.
Hard.
And then push and twist. Okay? Push and twist.
Miss Cinda. It's hard. Miss Cinda, this is hard, and I got muscle. I can do it.
Oh, all right. Let me see your muscles, Pei-Ying. You have a big muscles?
I can squeeze it.
Oh, good job. Look at your juice. You can put it back in the dish here. Oh, push hard, Sophia. Push hard and twist. I'll hold the jar for you, okay? Good job, Sophia. Look at the juice down here. Look. See? You're doing that. Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Oh, boys and girls, doesn't this look fun?
Yeah.
Okay, you can get your other lemon, Sophia. Good job. And then, boys, you can... There you go. Now, we're going to get your tablespoon. Oh, you still have another one, Pei-Ying? Oh, Pei-Ying, you got another one. Big muscles.
Ah!
Good job. Okay, now get your tablespoon.
This one?
Uh-huh. No. See, 1 tablespoon? See, it says 1.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. This is a teaspoon.
Miss Linda?
But this is a tablespoon.
Miss Cinda, I mean.
What?
Is this one?
Yes, very good, Isaiah. Okay, you're going to want to hold it over here. No, it'll pour right out of here.
Oh.
And then pour in here. Pour 1 tablespoon in there. Isaiah, 1 tablespoon. Oh, Sophia, good job. You're doing good. Oh, and Pei-Ying, you're doing so good. Go ahead, Isaiah.
1 tablespoon?
Let me help you?
Yeah.
Okay, here. You hold the tablespoon. You ready?
Yeah. Can I have a bag?
Right there's one on the table. You're welcome to use that one. Okay, we need 3 tablespoons, so I'll do 1 more of yours. Ben, you can go ahead and do 2, and then I'll let Sophia put 1 of hers in.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
There's that. Okay, you ready, Pei-Ying? Are you ready, Sophia? Okay, let's get your tablespoon. Want me to hold this for you?
There.
Okay, get your tablespoon. Ready? Look at all that good fresh lemon juice you did, Pei-Ying. There, put it in. Good job. Okay. Now, let's get Sophia's in. Okay, ready? Whoops, I gotta go like this. Okay, you ready? There we go. Oh, good job, Sophia. Okay. All right. Now, I'll put this over here. Okay. Now, boys, I want you to measure out. Let me look. And remember, boys and girls, to always follow your recipe. And Miss Cinda has a recipe right here that I'm looking at. Okay, so our recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of garlic. Find your teaspoon, kids, and you each get to do a teaspoon. Where's your teaspoons? Nope, that's a tablespoon, Paying.
Right here, right?
That's garlic. So you want 1 teaspoon. Let me see what you have. Very good. You have a teaspoon. Thank you for helping, Isaiah.
You're welcome.
Okay, put a teaspoon of garlic in. You each get to put a teaspoon.
I've had some garlic in a salad once.
You did? Did you like it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I don't eat garlic.
You do?
No.
You want to not put yours in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave yours out. Here. If you don't like garlic, let's leave yours out.
I really like garlic.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we just put a little bit in?
Yeah.
All right, we'll just put 1 of them in for you. Okay? All right, that's all. Oh, you don't have to eat it now. Okay. Now you can put the walnuts in, and let Sophia put the walnuts in.
All of it? Here you go. All of it.
And boys, no, that's going to be our garnish.
Oh. Put all of it in?
Yes, let me see how many walnuts we're putting in. We're putting in 1 cup of walnuts, okay? And these are chopped walnuts, so go ahead and put them in. Put them 1 cup. And then, boys, once you let Pei-Ying put that in, and Isaiah, you measure out, we need 1 teaspoon of salt. So here's your salt.
Okay.
There's yours. Get your teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Isaiah, get your teaspoon. And boys, you put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay? Where's your teaspoon, Isaiah?
It's in the...
Oh, did I take your teaspoon? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Here.
Where's my teaspoon?
Well, here. You're going to put the walnuts in. You put the walnuts in, Pei-Ying. Okay, you ready? And now, oh, dump them in. Get them all in, Pei-Ying. Okay, I want you boys to find, we're going to put in, let me see, we're going to put in 3/4 cup of roasted tahini. So to make 3/4 cup, boys and girls, we need a 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup. So the boys find the 1/2 cup, the girls find the 1/4 cup.
Where's the 4th cup?
Good job, Sophia. That's the 4th cup. Pei-Ying, do you have a 4th cup? Let me see. Does it say a 1/2? Look, do you see it says 1/2? That's a 1/2. And yours says 1/4. That's a 4. All right. Now we got to stir the tahini.
This is for us, boys, or this?
You want the 1/2. Does it say 1/2?
Yep.
Okay.
The 1/2 cup?
You want the 4th, and that's what you have.
4th
1/4. Okay. Now wait a minute. No. I'm going to put some tahini in here for you, and you'll need to get your spatulas here. You'll need to get your spatula. Put yours in.
Is that sticky?
It's, you know what it is? It's ground up sesame seeds.
Oh.
Okay. Put yours in. Okay, Sophia, here. Whoops. Careful. Sophia, don't tip it. Careful. Whoa. Okay, put it in, Sophia. Okay. There's yours, Mr. Isaiah. Well, got to get it even, because remember, boys and girls, if you want your recipe to good, you got to measure good. Okay, Pei-Ying, hold yours over here. Hold yours over the bowl. Good job. Way over here, Pei-Ying. Good job.
Okay, what next?
Okay, now, let me look, but I think you can put the lid on.
Okay.
Oh, you got to put those in. Put your walnuts in.
Put all the ones. So much.
Oh, no. Oh, Miss Cinda almost forgot. I almost forgot the olive oil. So keep your 1/4 cup, because you need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So keep your 1/4 cup, Pei-Ying, and I'll put your 1/4 cup of olive oil in. Okay, put that in. Okay, here's your 4th cup, Sophia. Hold that. Oh my, I almost forgot, didn't I? Oh, Miss Cinda. Okay, pour it in. I almost forgot. Okay, now you can put your lids on.
Yeah.
Okay, put your lids on.
Where's my lid? Ready.
Well, just a minute. Let them get their lid on and we'll turn it on together because, you know what, boys and girls? Hold your ears. It's gonna get loud.
Miss Cinda,
What?
Put your fingers in your ears.
Okay, let's
Miss
put her.
Cinda?
Yes?
Which way do I push the blender so that it turns on?
Put it this way,
Miss
over
Cinda,
here.
which
Okay,
way?
you ready?
The other.
Okay, go! Is it loud?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Plug my ears.
Put your finger in your ears.
Oh, okay. Yours is almost done.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, let's stop it now. Oh, let's be very careful now. Twist it, and let's take your spatula, and let's.
Hey, that's my spatula.
Well, that's right. Okay, kind of stir it around a little bit. Yours is almost done, guys. Okay, you can put your lids back on again, and let's try it one more time. Okay? Let's twist the lid on. Okay, get ready to close your... Oh, plug your ears! That's a kitchen timer. We have to hurry. Turn it on. Oh, oh. Okay, turn them off. Oh, turn them off. And guess what, boys and girls? Look what I have for you. I'm going to let you taste the hummus. Miss Cinda's made some ahead of time, but you can also taste yours. Look
I
it.
want to eat a carrot.
You want a carrot and dip a carrot in? Okay, take your lids off. Let's take your lids off. And let me put some in, you know what, you can take mine. You can try mine, hummus. You can dip in. Because I don't want you dipping in here. So let me put some in this bowl for you.
I eating like this.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. Yours needs a little bit more mixing, but you can taste yours if you want. Or you can taste mine. Which would you like to taste?
I love carrots.
You do? Oh, here, Isaiah, you can't reach it. You want to dip it in the hummus?
Yeah.
Who wants to dip it in this hummus?
Me.
You want to put some of this hummus in a bowl for you? Yeah. And see how we put the olives on top? There, try it. You two try it. And Ben, you want to try your hummus?
Mm-hmm.
Try it. What do you think? Oh, that's the kitchen timer. Ooh, we're gonna go. Boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.